The farm is peaceful and quiet. The cow is sleeping soundly. The chick is sleeping on her egg. The horses are watching the night stars. The sheep and the goat are sleeping peacefully. The pig is dreaming and not worried about getting into bacon. But something is wrong with the duck. Something scary is happening in the woods.
The devil dog approaches.
The devil dog made everything fall. The horse climbed up onto the roof. Ha ha ha! I got an arrow!
You can climb up onto the roof, but I'm gonna get you. The devil dog.
Oh, no worries. I can just defeat you because you are a dog.
But I have the power of the devil.
I will not let you take over my land. Do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do do